In this video, I will show you how to download historical data on pairs listed on our newly created config file. For this video, we will download the data of 5 minutes time frame for the past 100 days. If you see any async warning, don't be too concerned about it. KuCoin is known to have a tight rate limit, so as long as the warning countdown don't go down to 0, then you can ignore the warning. You can see I got few warnings, but in the end, the command finished successfully. On the next video, I will show you how to download new pair and or time frame data on top of already downloaded data.